Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to explain about how to recall an email in Outlook. Outlook provides a built-in feature that recalls an email or replaces a message, although there are a few key requirements. In this video, I will explain how to recall an email, the requirements of recalling Outlook emails. In this video, apply Outlook 2019, 2016, 2013, 10 and 7 and Outlook for Microsoft 365. Here I'll explain the step-by-step process. Please keep watch on this video. How to recall an email in Outlook and replace it if desired. When you attempt to retract email, Outlook may notify the receipt of the recalled email. To recall an email in Outlook, for the first step is open Outlook and go to the sent items folder. Double click the sent message you want to recall to open it in a separate window. The option to recall message are not available when the message is displayed in the reading pane. Go to the message tab, select the actions drop down arrow and choose recall this message. In Outlook 2007, go to the message tab in the action group, select other actions and then recall this message. In the recall this message dialog box, select one of the following. Delete unread copies of this message to recall the message. Otherwise, delete unread copies and replace within a new message to a replace with the message with a new one. If you want to receive a notification of the result, select the tell me if recall succeed or fails for each receipt checkbox. Select OK. If you selected delete unread copies and replace within a new message, modify the original message. Select sound. You will receive an Outlook notification message regarding the success or failure of you attempt to retract or replace the email. Here I am going to explain requirements to recall an email. First requirement is both you and your recipient must have an Exchange server email account and use Outlook as the email client. Second one is the recipient mailbox is open when you attempt to process a recall. Third one is the original message is unread and is in the recipient inbox. Fourth one is the message was not touched by any process such as a rule, spam filter or add-in. Thanks for watching my video. I hope this video is helpful. It's really helpful. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and share this video.